Is Xaman Wallet safe? Let's look at these security secrets revealed in 2025. Are you worried about your crypto security? Here's exactly how Xaman protects your XRP. Let's look at the security features. The first we have is biometric lock. You can enable Face ID or fingerprint in security settings. Second security feature is encrypted backups. You have your 24-word phrase. It is never stored online, unlike cloud wallets. The third is no custody risk. Xaman is non-custodial, so only you control the keys. Fourth, you have scam alerts. Xaman warns you about suspicious tokens or transactions. Fifth security feature is open source code. It's audited by XRP developers, so there's no backdoors. Stay safe out there. For a backup tutorial, let us know in the comment section and we'll do it. Subscribe for more security tips. See you in the next one.